Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 BK Mazda 3 Neo, stock reference number 4334. This shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Have a left manual door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has a couple of small dents. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right manual door mirror. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, manual window regulator. This vehicle's fitted with blue and grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, standard heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.